Hello and welcome. This is a sneak peek into the test solving session on site planning and landscape by Atelier Lab Academic Finishing School as part of their online coaching for GATE Architecture and Planning and PGTA 2026 exams. Atelier Lab is an academic finishing school as an initiative by alumni from prominent Indian institutions, including NIT, IIT, and SPA. We deliver structured online courses on competitive exam preparation and career advancement skills for architects and planners to achieve excellence in their career. The programs are led by experts who focus on building conceptual clarity and test readiness. Join us online coaching for 2026 GATE Architecture and Planning and PGTA preparation by Atelier Lab. 40 expert-led sessions are planned as weekend classes of 2-hour duration each. Each session will include structured theory classes, topic-wise sample test, and test solving and live discussion sessions. You will have access to class recordings, mock test, and previous year question papers. For enquiries, please reach out to us at atelierlab.afs@gmail.com or WhatsApp on +91 8089 939570. Thank you. Next one is to calculate the runoff areas. So a real estate project on a 12-hectare site contains 6 buildings, each with ground coverage of 3% of the site area. The landscaped area is 40% of the site and rest of the area are roads. Assume coefficient of runoff for landscaped area and the road area to be 0.15 and 0.6 respectively. Ignore the rainwater from the roof of the buildings and additional water from outside areas. Considering average rainfall intensity of 70 mm per hour, the estimated peak surface runoff rate from the site is -meter cube per second, rounded off to 2 decimal places. So the equation, we know there is only one equation to find out the volume of runoff, which is Q is equal to CIA. So we need all these factors. C, which is the coefficient of runoff, intensity is given, and area is also given. So we start with total site area is given as 12 hectares. Okay, and we need to calculate the runoff from the landscaped area and the road area, because they have told they ignore the rainwater from the roof of the buildings. So the building area has to be deducted from this 12-hectare site. So we find first thing is landscaped area, which is told us landscaped area is 40% of the site. So 40% of the site area, which is 4.8 hectare. So we will convert and keep it into square meters, because the answer is given to be written in meter cube. Okay. So now the building area is, there are 6 buildings, 3% of coverage for each building. So 6 into 3% of the site area, you get 2.16 hectare, which is equal to 2.16 into 10,000 square meters. So the remaining is road area. So you get 5.04 hectare as the road area. So the areas are you got the areas. Now the coefficient of runoff, which is landscaped area, the coefficient given is 0.15, and the roads, the coefficient is given as 0.6. And the next is rainfall intensity. We have the rainfall intensity in 70 millimeter per hour. So the answer is required in seconds, so meter per second. So you need to convert the 70 millimeter per hour into, first into meter per hour and then into meter per second. So meter per hour divided by 100. Then we have this divided by 3600. So hours into second has been converted. So we have 0.07 by 3600 meter per second is the rainfall intensity. So just apply it in the equation. I, intensity, into the landscaped area, coefficient 0.15 into 4.8 hectare into 10,000 square meter, plus the coefficient for the roads 0.6 into the area 5.04 into 10,000 square meters. You get 0.728. Okay. which is in meter cube per second. So the answer is 0.73. Okay.